enye futhi ngibone ngathi Orlando Pirates kumele ukuthi maybe ngakwenza shame ngiya understand ukuthi amagoli abalekile but the way labadlali barana ngakhona abo Ready nabo apolice sometimes ngathi ungaba banga control ibhola abadlali ubani umbatha noma Khawula nje bake ba relax balinoke bayimanage le game but akusi play Orlando Pirates sengikhulumela mhlambe le energy yalabadlali because uyambona no Ready ugcina sihluthuke and he was lucky today ukuthi angayitholi red card because first half kune foul ayenzile and ngiya understand ukuthi uyahluthuka uboy because uyakhahlelwa mfowethu uyashaywa uReally so ngicabanga ukuthi akumelanga ukuthi agcina ahluthuka afika lapho because yena is a attacker and yena vele bazomtargeta ekugcineni uma thola red card yilaba ifuna khona iOrlando Pirates ngicabanga ukuthi kumele mhlawumbe i-technical team iOrlando Pirates izama ukumchazela ukuthi akayihlise kancane because kunala khona ngibone bekumele athole enye second yellow lazo shale out ngedolo uengineer so uyabona ukuthi uyahluthuka because naye but today angibonanga lamajita am-attacker mhlambe ngamathekile so bekumele ukuthi ayehlise emidlalo ofana noReally so ngizama ukusho Shane ukuthi uma unalabadlali abafana nalabo abakwazi ukuthi kumele benzeni uma ngabe bafika mhlambe ehafini opponent I think it's good for Orlando Pirates but they must manage game ngendlela right because the more they keep on running bakhathala noma bakhathala benza nama foul unnecessary bagcina bathola ama card baba suspended Shane.
The safety you need and the fun you want. There's space for every fun in the Toyota Starlet.